In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Brookhaven Discord server. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confidently join the right community without any confusion. Start by looking over to the left-hand sidebar in Discord. That vertical panel holds your servers and tools, and among those icons, you'll find the Discover section. It may appear as a compass-style icon or be labeled Discover or Explore Public Servers, depending on your layout. Click that. This takes you into Discord's built-in directory of public communities, which is the easiest place to find popular servers without hunting for invite links elsewhere. Once you're inside Discover, you're already in the servers area. Think of this as the main gallery where Discord showcases different communities by category, popularity, and topic. If your window is compact and labels are hidden, hover your cursor over the icons to confirm you're in the right place. You'll see a search bar at the top and a feed of servers below. Now use the search bar to look for Brookhaven. Type the name carefully to get the most accurate results. If you see multiple entries with similar names, that's normal. Popular topics often have several fan-made communities. Look for the listing that matches what you expect, paying attention to its icon, short description, and member count. Click the Brookhaven result to open its preview. The preview page gives you a quick snapshot of the community before you commit. You'll see an overview, tags related to the server's focus, and how active it is. This is a great moment to confirm you're picking the right Brookhaven community for your interests. If the description and vibe look right to you, you're in the perfect spot to proceed. From this preview, simply click Join. That's the big action that adds the server to your own Discord sidebar. After you click Join, Discord will place the Brookhaven server among your existing servers on the left, so you can access it anytime. If you don't see it immediately, give it a second to load. Then look for the new icon that appears in your list. And that's all there is to it. You clicked Set Discover, stayed within the servers area, searched for Brookhaven, opened its preview, and clicked Join. Simple, direct, and done. Enjoy exploring the channels, and have fun connecting with the Brookhaven community.